How to use Home Depot for contractor services. While using Home Depot for contractor services involves two main approaches: hiring vetted pros for installation via home services, or utilizing ProDesk services for sourcing, financing, and bulk materials for your own contracting business. So what you can do is you can visit the home services page through the app, or you can visit the web on Home Depot page and you can visit services page to request services, or you can also call the customer service. Now similarly, if you are a contractor, now this is for contractor for pro services and support. Now contractors can utilize Pro Extra. So if you open up the app, if you head over to me, you should be able to see Access Pro Extra. You can head into it. You can proceed to sign up for Extra, and then it helps with large orders, custom quotes, and job site delivery. You can also save on orders of $2,500 or more by submitting your materials list to the ProDesk. You can also get fast direct to job site delivery, which is available for supplies and such. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.